he's just sleeping on the couch. Ay. This is gonna be scary because he likes to get into our trash. He was feeling a little sick today, so we thought he'd be good. Well, there he is. Oh, there's the puppy. Hi. Let's go see if the trash or anything is messed up.
No, drop it. Drop.
There's the trash can up there. Check upstairs, I guess. Let's go check upstairs.
Oreo, drop that.
Let's go check. Oh, that room is closed, and so is mine. Okay, that was a perfect thing. He did not make
I don't know where all your candy is.
a mess.